Men over 40, let's be real. Weak erections don't just hit your body, they crush your confidence, your performance, your masculinity. But here's the truth: you don't have to accept it. Doctors have proven that blood flow, testosterone, and pelvic strength are the keys. And today, I'll show you 4 powerful exercises that rebuild all three naturally, without pills, without gimmicks. Stay with me, because these moves are simple, fast, and effective. Done consistently, they will make you masculine than before. As men age, circulation slows down, testosterone dips, and the muscles that control erections, the pelvic floor and core, get weaker. Add stress, poor diet, or inactivity, and suddenly your strength as a man feels like it's slipping away. But doctors agree, exercise can reverse this decline. By targeting the right muscles and improving blood flow, you can restore stronger, longer-lasting erections. This is not just about performance, it's about reclaiming your vitality, stamina, and confidence as a man. The good news? As men age, circulation slows down, testosterone dips, and the muscles that control erections, the pelvic floor and core, get weaker. Add stress, poor diet, or inactivity, and suddenly your strength as a man feels like it's slipping away. But doctors agree, exercise can reverse this decline. By targeting the right muscles and improving blood flow, you can restore stronger, longer-lasting erections. This is not just about performance, it's about reclaiming your vitality, stamina, and confidence as a man. The good news? These 4 exercises require no special equipment, can be done at home in minutes, and are proven to wake up circulation, build pelvic power, and boost natural testosterone. Let's break them down step by step. First, glute bridges. Unlock circulation and pelvic strength. Doctors highlight glute bridges as one of the top exercises for men facing erectile weakness. Why? Because they pump fresh blood into the pelvic region while strengthening the glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. That blood flow is fuel for stronger erections. Men, here's how. Lie on your back with knees bent, feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Keep your arms by your sides. Drive through your heels, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and squeeze your glutes hard at the top. Hold for 2 seconds, then slowly lower down. Do 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. For more challenge, pause longer at the top or place a light weight across your hips. Remember, consistency builds circulation. Second plank, build core and pelvic floor. Control doctors call the plank a powerhouse move because it strengthens your core, improves posture, and trains the pelvic floor muscles directly linked to erection control. A strong core equals more endurance, more stability, and better performance. How to do it? Lie face down, place your forearms on the ground, elbows under shoulders. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and lift your body into a straight line from head to heels. Don't sag or arch. Keep it tight. Men start with 20 to 30 seconds. Work your way to 1 minute. Add side planks, leg lifts, or shoulder taps for variety. Do 3 to 4 sets, at least 3 times a week. The payoff? More endurance, stronger erections, and rock-solid masculine confidence. 3. Squats. Boost testosterone and lower body power. If there's one exercise every man over 40 must do, it's squats. Doctors know that squats activate your largest muscle groups, increasing blood flow and triggering natural testosterone production. Both are critical for reversing weak erections. How to perform? Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly out. Keep chest up, core tight. Bend knees, push hips back like you're sitting in a chair. Go as low as your flexibility allows while keeping heels grounded. Drive back up through your heels. Start with bodyweight squats, 10 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 sets. Later, add dumbbells, barbells, or try variations like goblet squats or split squats. Not only will you build powerful legs, you'll fuel your body with more testosterone in circulation, the lifeblood of masculinity. Fourth Kegel exercises. Directly target the erection muscles. This is where science meets discipline. Doctors recommend Kegels for men because they strengthen the pelvic floor, the exact muscles that control erections. These are the same muscles you use to stop urination mid-flow. How to do them? Contract those muscles. Hold for 3 seconds. Relax for 3 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times. Do 3 sets daily. Simple? Yes. Effective? Extremely. Stronger pelvic muscles mean better control, harder erections, and more confidence in the bedroom. Remember, exercises alone won't save you if your lifestyle is killing your performance. Doctors agree. Eat clean, stay hydrated, add cardio like walking or cycling, and avoid smoking and excess alcohol. These habits keep your blood flowing, hormones balanced, and energy high. Men, weak erections don't define you. What defines you is the action you take today. These 4 exercises are not just movements, they are weapons. Weapons to rebuild blood flow, boost testosterone, and reclaim the strength of your masculinity. If you found this helpful, subscribe now. Every week, I'll give you tools to stay powerful, disciplined, and unbreakable. Don't wait until your strength is gone. Build it now and own your masculinity for life. And remember this, strength isn't built in one workout. It's built daily. Every rep, every squat, every plank is a brick in the foundation of the man you're becoming. Stay consistent. Discipline today is masculinity tomorrow.